Hello friends, today we will be learning how to upcycle wall hanging planter using glass bottles or jars. For this, material required are glass bottle, jar, branch, twig, thick thread, jute rope, tissue paper, glue, paint brushes, acrylic colors, black pen, pair of scissors. So here this is the branch I am going to use. So this is also known as twig. So this is the fallen branch. Okay, make sure that you are using thick branch. Now here I am using Caventer bottle. You can use Eno bottles as well. I am using Fevicol, tissue paper, thick thread, or you can use jute rope also, and little bit of water. So now we will start. It's out of my control. Flying at the speed of light. Separate the tissue paper. Since there are two layers, you can separate them. So many things were left unsaid. It's hard to let you. Now apply Fevicol all over the bottle. After applying Fevicol, stick the tissue paper over it. Make sure you are sticking it very well and do it very lightly, otherwise it can tear also. If you want, you can directly use the glass bottle without any painting, without any color. You can just use it as a transparent bottle. That is also looks classy. But I'm using tissue paper here because I want to paint the bottle. I generally don't paint the bottle directly. I first stick tissue paper over it because the texture it gives is like quite classy. Now stick the other layer as well. After sticking the tissue paper, keep it aside for 10 minutes so that it can get dry and you can start painting over it. Now my bottle got dried, so I will paint yellow color over it. You can paint any color of your choice, it all depends on you. So here I am going to paint yellow color over it. Cover the whole bottle with yellow color. See that the texture is looking classy. Now my bottle got dried. I will paint an owl over it. You can paint whatever you want, you can draw whatever you want. So I'm going to draw an owl over it. You can draw flowers, You can draw anything of your choice. So I am drawing an owl here. Once you know how to do it, you can do wonders as well. You can use pressed flour also to stick over it. You can use painted rice. You can use anything to decorate the bottle. Basically, I am teaching you how to paint the bottle. I said how to make hanging planter. Now we are making a nose of an owl. Drawing one more outline.
Wishing I had strength to stand. This is not what I had planned. It's out of my control. Flying at the speed of light, thoughts were spinning in my head. So many things were left unsaid. It's hard to let you go. I know what it takes to move on.
I'm using royal blue color here. If you want, you can use red color, you can use pink color, you can use any color of your choice. So our painting part is done. Now we will tie a thread to a bottle, like we'll seal it properly so that it won't come out. We'll wrap thread around 3 to 4 times around the neck. And tie the knot very tightly. Now wrap it 3 to 4 times around the neck. So this bottle also you can do something like this. I have used dried leaves or pressed leaves over it. So now we have tied thread around 2 bottles. Now we'll tie this thread to the branch or twig we used. So it depends on you now. If you want to keep the length of both the bottles same, you can. If you want to keep them as up and down, you can do that. I am doing it as up and down. Like my blue bottle is little bit up and yellow is slightly down. So it depends on you how you want to do it. If you want to keep both of them at the same level, you can do that. Now to hang it, again we'll tie a knot to a branch. So it's done. So yeah, these are hanging planters, bottle planter. So hope you guys enjoyed it. See how beautiful it is looking. You can also hang money plant, or you can use artificial flowers. You can use anything, whatever you want. Here I have used original bougainvillea flowers. If you want, you can use money plant as well. Thank you.